update on the Techniq C1 coating. A couple of things. There was a piece of tarmac that was stuck on the roof, which has just come off. Because we were just discussing what would happen if you did get something stuck on it, how you would get it off, because you can't use any solvents or abrasives because that would ruin the coating. And then Lance has just washed it just with cold water. It was filthy before, and everything has just come off. Doesn't even need washing, but he's going to do it anyway because he's a good lad. I think that finish on the roof with the Techniq stuff on is so much better than it was, you know, just left alone, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like a completely different material, and it looks nicer.
Kind of brings the colour out.
Yeah, instead of just being flat, it's got a bit of a sheen to it. So, same with here. Sadly, it looks like that's still getting worse on the door, and I don't know why. I did think I heard another crack yesterday when I was going home, so need to check the other door. Even on the blue it looks, it does give it a little bit of a shine. But it's come clean, hasn't it, without even touching it with a sponge. Yeah, it's just
no sponging.
Just the right stuff. Oh dear, I will be sad to see it go if it does go back. Looks good. I don't want to send it back.